According to 5 U.S. and Western officials familiar with the matter, U.S. intelligence discovered earlier this year that the Russian government planned to assassinate the chief executive of a powerful German arms manufacturer. This manufacturer, Rheinmetall, has been producing artillery shells and military vehicles for Ukraine's war effort. The plot to kill Rheinmetall's CEO, Armin Paperger, was part of a broader series of Russian plans to assassinate defense industry executives across Europe who were supporting Ukraine. Western officials said this plan was the most advanced of these assassination plots. When the U.S. learned of the Russian assassination plot, they informed the German government. Germany's security services were then able to protect Paperger and foil the assassination attempt. A high-level German official confirmed that Berlin was warned about the plot by the U.S. This intelligence about Russia's willingness to assassinate private citizens underscored to Western officials just how far Moscow was willing to go in its covert campaign of sabotage across Europe. The goal of this campaign appears to be disrupting the flow of weapons from the West to Ukraine and eroding public support for Kyiv. Paperger was an obvious target, as his company Rheinmetall is the largest German manufacturer of the crucial 155mm artillery shells that have become vital to Ukraine's war effort. Russia was deeply concerned about Rheinmetall's plans to open an armored vehicle plant inside Ukraine in the coming weeks. Russia was deeply concerned about Rheinmetall's plans to open an armored vehicle plant inside Ukraine in the coming weeks. Russia was deeply concerned about Rheinmetall's plans to open an armored vehicle plant inside Ukraine in the coming weeks. This previously unreported series of Russian assassination plots helps explain the increasingly urgent warnings from NATO officials about Moscow's escalating campaign of covert sabotage activities across Europe. Some senior officials believe these actions risk crossing the threshold into armed conflict.